Hello, Algebra 2. We're going to go over some homework problems here to make sure you are good for your homework quiz. So we're going to take a look at number 25, where we are talking about gas mileage. So hopefully you read that question on your homework. We're going to take a look at B and C here. So, B. In what interval would you expect the central 68% of autos to be found? So hopefully that's one of the numbers that we recognize. So I'm going to draw our ruler here. Ooh, not the greatest. In the middle, and of course hopefully you have your standard normal curve drawn above it. So in the middle we need our average. The average was 24.8. And the standard deviation looks like 6.2. So in the middle is 24.8. And then from there we go out our standard deviations. So we'll go out 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And for 68% we only need to go out one standard deviation. So that will be plus 6.8. So that should be 31 actually, exactly, if we add 6.8 there. Going backwards the other way, 24.8 minus 24.8 minus 6 point, I don't know if it was 6.2? Yeah, 6.2. Gives us 18.6. Okay. So that range right there is my 68%. So to answer letter B, I don't have to keep going. 68%. So again, we have a number. Want to make sure we know what that number actually means. So 68%, and we're talking about cars, of cars. And then we're talking about gas mileage. Get between 18.6 and 31 miles per gallon. Alright, so I want to make sure you can write a sentence like that and interpret what the numbers mean. So that's the middle 68%. Let's do one more real quick. Let's do letter C. About what percent of autos should get more than 31 miles per gallon? All right, more than 31 miles per gallon. So 31 miles per gallon is right here. It's actually on our chart. All the cars that get more than 31 are this way. It's the area to the left, or sorry, to the right. So we need this percent. What percent is that? The easiest way I'd say is to look this up on our z-score chart. 31 is right here. It's one of the nice numbers they give us. That is a z-score of +1. If you want to double check that, this is letter C. You could always just find the z-score. Z is equal to 31 minus the mean, 24.8, divided by 6.2, the standard deviation, and if you plug that into your calculator you will get a +1. So now that we know it's +1, we can go to our z-score chart and take a look at where is +1 on our z-score chart. So go down here, there is +1. For some reason I'm not being able to grab a hold of it here. So +1 is right here. Looks like we want, not that number, these are the two numbers we need, one of them. We want the area to the right, so that will be the 15.8. Remember, you move the decimal point over twice, and so that will be 15.8%. So I'm going to go back and answer this question. To the right, that was 15.8%. 15.8%. So let's write that in a sentence. 15.8%. What does that mean? Of cars they get more than 31 miles to the gallon. Get more than 31 miles per gallon. Okay, so we found our z-score, and then that was the area to the right, and we looked that up on the chart. All right, that's kind of what I'm hoping you can do on this homework quiz. Good luck.